Hello everyone, it's Amanda from Crafty Fit and welcome back to my channel. Today we are working on a process video and I still have some of this kit left over, so I definitely want to use it up and try to get at least one more layout. Now the stuff that I had left over, you guys saw in my last video working with this page kit. It's not a lot to make a page kit, so I am going to be adding in some of this America from Echo Park, and so I might just add like a few things to it, basically like a background to kind of start with. So I might be adding like one or two things from here, maybe some stickers. So that's completely okay as long as I try to use up as much of this stuff as I possibly can. Now, I don't think I'm going to be using this star sheet because I'm just not a fan of stenciling and all that. And I think my idea was to leave this in the kit to remember that I do have these stars, so that way I can pull them if I need to. So I am gonna keep that as a reminder. I do have a lot of little pieces still left over, so definitely want to try to use these up, especially like the word family and some of the stars in it. Definitely want to try to use those. And then I will pull in my stickers that I pulled in last time too. So let me go ahead and get started and start working on this, and I will be back with a little bit of a process video to show you guys, so you guys can see what my thoughts are on what I'm doing. So I will be back when I have something somewhat done. All right, everyone, I am back. And I am going to be working on my layout. So I'm just going to kind of show you guys the start of it, and then I'll just glue this piece down, and then that way everything else won't be glued down. You guys will see just how I'm going to layer everything. So I'm going to put some of my dollar store adhesive onto the back. And I know this is really pretty paper. Like, I was super upset, but this collection only comes with a few pieces of this navy blue, and that is what I am looking for my background. So we have that. Then I also have another sheet from that collection. I really like this. I actually want to fussy cut some of these out and use them as like a banner. So I am going to put this piece right there, and I'm going to add this really sparkly red to my layout. And this layout is about my birthday, so I didn't want to make it too themey with the 4th of July or Memorial Day themes, but I thought that this banner was really cute because it is technically for a birthday layout. So I'm just going to be adding that little strip right there. I have my 4 photos that I want to add, and I did cut them down a little bit, so I'm just going to add them to my page. And then I want to add a couple of things over here as banners, because I did have a lot. Let me just grab all this stuff. I did have a lot of little bits and pieces left over, So I want to add some of this 6x6, that's what it's called, over. And I think I'm gonna move this over just a little bit more. There we go. And we're just gonna move our photos over. And then I have another one of the part of the 6x6. I'm gonna try to keep them kind of close so that you don't see where the 6x6 is. Okay. And then I have just another little piece of white paper in a fishtail. So I'm going to add that. I'm going to add 2 fishtails up here in this corner, just underneath of this paper, the banner paper. And I know this paper is a little bit of a undertone white, and so it's okay that this is like an opaque white. I'm okay with that. So I know I wanted to add the word family, so I think I'm going to add the word family and a star up here, just above, like kind of between that piece of paper. And then I have some more of those, what are those called? The little, I don't even know what they're called. Photo rings, I don't know. Trying to concentrate. There we go. And then I have another star that I kind of want to add up here. I think I'm going to add it onto the corner, kind of like that. Okay. And then I have this really fun, I'm trying to use these up, so I was able to get 3 of them on this layout. I have this one right here, so it's probably gonna go, I'm thinking above the family. There we go. Something like that. And then I have some more of those things. So you'll see a pattern that I'm doing is basically the same kind of cluster over here. So I have this let 'em eat cake. That'll kind of cover up the seam as well. I have 2 of these photo rounds. If I can get them to go, there we go. I have a star that I'm going to add down here. I have another star that I'm going to add up here, just like that. And then I have an arrow that I will add right there. And then, oh, looks like I'm having a low battery. Sorry, guys. Okay. And then let me just lift this up so you guys can see. I'm going to put another cluster down here. I am going to add another star, just like that. I'm going to add this party ticket. I'm going to add the star a little bit more up. There we go. And then I'm going to add this arrow. And that is it, guys. So I'm going to put everything down and I will be back and we will add the finishing touches. I want to see if I can use these up on this page and be done with this sticker sheet. I think I might be able to if I put like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I was thinking about putting like some over here, like 2 to 3 over here and 1, maybe 3 over here and then 1 and 1 up here. But we shall see. So I will be back and I will have everything glued down so you guys will see the finishing touches. I am back and I am going to be putting down the finishing touches on this layout. I know I want to finish these off. So the only thing you guys see different here is I actually added this flower piece from the Echo Park collection. And I popped it up because I wanted something that had a little bit of this darker blue in it. So I'm going to see about getting some of these on here. I don't know if this white like looks right with it. Let's see if we can add some blue. Definitely add that one there, and then maybe this one. Right here. And maybe we can add another blue one over here. I really like that. And then I have some more. I think I'm gonna add just one little red star down here, because I do have a red star up here. And I think that's gonna be it. So I still have some more of those left over. Let's see what we have left over. In little enamel box. It wasn't 4th of July. But I do really like this ice cream that is all different colors. So I'm going to bring in this ice cream. Just down here maybe. Just trying to think where I want to put it. Maybe right there. And anything else from here? I could do this little guy up here. Okay, let's just go ahead and put that there. All right. Then I am going to add some of these pebbles, little dots, and I think I'm gonna do like a little cluster of 3. We'll just use that. There we go. On there, and then I think I'm gonna do one down here too, like over here. So let's go ahead, do blue, do that one, and then maybe like this white one. Wait, maybe we'll do that. There we go. And then over here, I was going to add one, but I don't know if they're gonna stick. This paper is really hard to stick to, so I might have to do some glue on that. And then we'll do one up here. don't know if I like that, like spread apart. There we go. We'll do that. Okay, so we used up some of those. And I was gonna see if I have any other stickers in this pile. Oh, and I see something that I might want to add. So on the sticker sheet, there are these flowers. So I kind of want to add those down here. And maybe pop them up. That way there's like flowers there, flowers there. Okay. So I think that this layout is done. I don't think I need to add anything else to it. Let's take a look and see once I'm done adding this onto here. And I'm just going to kind of move that underneath there. There we go. Okay, so now I'm looking and I have more stickers down here. Such a fun day. That would be cute to add. There we go. I think that is it. So I do want to look at one more. Just want to look at these stickers, see if there's anything that I wanted to add on here, and I don't think I do. I think that is going to be it. I think I'm going to be done. So here is the finished layout. I still have these. So from the kit, I still have these left over. I still have these left over. I still have one acetate piece, which I'm going to actually put back into my loose ephemera. I still have some paper, so what I'm going to be doing is adding it to this collection, so that way I have it all together. So let me just show you guys what I have left over. So I still have like some little scraps here and there from this collection. So, and then some from the other original layout. So I probably will get rid of that one and keep all of these, keep all of this, keep that and that. And I am gonna say that page kit is basically done. Super excited I was able to get 2 layouts out of that. So here is the first one, and I'll show you guys the second one. So these will go into my scrapbook, just like side by side, and I really like how they turned out. So I hope you guys enjoyed this process video, and you know, going through some of our kits that we have and getting rid of some stuff or using up some stuff. So these will be a must use up. So I will put these back with my stickers and hopefully try to get them used up next time. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.